Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about the question that is asked a lot is how can you order from China and get shipped through Zambia in 14 days? Because when you order something from AliExpress, it takes up to 3 to 4 months to arrive in Zambia. But I will show you a website where we'll use an agent to ship our product to their warehouse and get it in 14 days. So let's get started. The website we are going to use is FYCargo. Let's search for it on Google. So click on the first link, which is fycargo.com. On their website, they have provided everything on how it works, full guide and everything. You can even calculate the shipping cost before you place your order. So click on cost estimates and you will be redirected to this calculator page. So let's say I order from China to Zambia in Lusaka and my product weight is 1 kg. So we just submit and you'll get so many different options, but the best one is air parcel and sea parcel. So for sea parcel, it's $4 per kg and it takes up to 45 to 60 days, which is 3 months. So $4 to ZMW costs around 76 kwacha, but it takes up to 60 days to arrive. And with air parcel, make sure it's air parcel collect. Collect means it's cash on delivery. If you choose prepaid, you have to pay them, then your product will be delivered. But when you choose collect, your product arrives and when you go and collect, you have to pay there. So it's around $13 per kg, which is 248 kwacha. But it is faster shipping. It takes around 14 days. So with sea, it's very cheap, but it takes 60 days. With air, it's little expensive, but it arrives in 14 days. So when you place your order, when the manufacturer asks for your address, you have to give them this virtual address for FYCargo that they provide you when you sign up. So when you click on warehouse, you'll see the address for air cargo and sea cargo. If you choose your delivery as air, you have to provide the manufacturer this address. You can see receiver, which is the name, address, city, area, postcode and telephone number. You can just click on the copy button and it copies. And make sure to put in correct details because as you can see, our unique ID is different. And after that, from FYCargo, when you click on my address, make sure to add your address. So when you receive your parcels from manufacturer to FYCargo, you'll see them here in my parcels. Currently it is empty, but you'll see them here in need action, and then you have to submit your details and your product will be delivered, and if you choose air, it will arrive in 14 days. If you don't want to do all this method, I have thought about a platform which you do not have to use this virtual address and still get the product in under 14 days with live payment demonstration in my course. Check them out and thank you for watching. For more free Make Money content, make sure to subscribe.